Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Let us learn about the earth and the sky. Let's see few points about earth. We live on earth. Earth is shaped like ball or an orange. Earth has two parts, land and water. Most part of the earth is covered by water. Land covers only a small part of the earth. We see sun only in the daytime. Sun is big and hot. It gives us heat and light. Flat lands are called plains. High or raised lands are called hills. Very high hills are called mountains. Some mountains are covered with snow. When the snow melts, it forms a river. River flows down to the plains and joins sea. Sun rises in east and brings us a day in the morning. Every evening, sun sets in the west and brings in the night. Let's learn about night sky and the moon. Moon is round and smaller than the sun. Usually, we see moon mostly at night. Sometimes we can also see moon in the daytime too. Moon changes its shape every day. Sometimes we see half the moon. When we see moon round like a ball, we call it as full moon. Let's learn about night sky and the stars. Stars are seen only at the night. Stars are big, but they look small because they are far away from us. Sun is also a star. Let's see few worksheets on earth and the sky. First is fill in the blanks. Flat lands are called plains. Lands which are high or raised are called hills. Very high hills are called mountains. Sun rises in the east. Sun sets in the west. When the sun shines, it is day. We see stars at night. When we see the moon round like a ball, we call it full moon. Sun gives us heat and light. Say true or false. Sun is a star. True. Sun rises in west. False. Sun sets in west. True. Moon is smaller than sun. True. Humans have landed on the moon. True. Land covers most part of the earth. False. Few question and answers on earth and the sky. What are plains? Answer is flat lands are called plains. What does sun gives us? Answer is sun gives us heat and light. Which is bigger, the sun or the moon? Answer is sun is bigger than moon. Why do stars look small? Stars look small because they are far away from us. When do we see the moon? Answer is we see moon at night. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel English Kannada Bangalore. For more information, visit englishkannada.com.